Welcome, people. Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Rome. I want to make sure I thank you guys for keep subscribing, liking the video, and sharing the video as well. You're watching the fourth official, that place, and the only place you can get that Jamaican American views on football. The heavy bias towards Manchester United. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you for the support. Really do appreciate you guys watching the video and sharing it with your friends and families. Let's keep shooting the video out there so that we can continue to build this wonderful platform where we can talk about like-minded things, football, and especially Manchester United and the Reggae Boys. So without any further ado, referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Well, people, guess what? This came. So I'll be right back. Boys and girls, let me introduce you to. Who that? Ha! What that? Package is here, boys and girls. The package is here. Needless to say, you guys know what this is. The package is here. Yeah, the season's about to start and I'm very, very excited. This is only going to be a short unpacking video, educating you guys on who the biggest team in England is. And I'd also like to focus a little bit more on a little parallel that I'd like to draw. Mismanagement of any organization can always lead to your downfall. Remember that. And this is the most important part. Remember when you get warnings from your parents and you don't heed those warnings, and then all of a sudden you find yourself between a rock and a hard place? Like when your mother share food for you and your siblings, and they sit down and say, "Mommy, want more? Mommy, can I have some more?" And your mother just get annoyed at you because she knows she just give food and you act like you're still hungry. "Mommy, we can get some more." And she just get up and go share out the food and carry come gear in front of everybody. She say, "If you nyam it, I beat you. And if you don't nyam it, I beat you." And you start look upon the food like, you don't know what to do. Because you definitely don't get an ass whooping. That is the position Barcelona find themselves in right now with Lionel Messi. Because Barcelona and Real Madrid have been abusing La Liga for years because of the fame and stature that Barcelona has. And Real Madrid, they've been taking all of the TV money from La Liga, keeping it to themselves, enriching themselves, bringing in all sorts of top-class players, right? Not giving a crap about the rest of the league, which is why the La Liga has never been competitive aside from the one or two push that Atletico Madrid might give them in a couple of years, in a half year. La Liga has never been competitive for that exact reason. The reason why the Premier League is so competitive year after year is because the Premier League shares the TV revenue that comes from people watching the league, which means teams are getting more and more rich once they're in the Premier League, which now gives them the ability to build their team and spend money. They won't be just sitting ducks when other teams come calling for their players. They're able to negotiate because I don't need to give my top player away. Leicester doesn't need to give their top player away. Everton doesn't need to give their top player away. So you need to come with good money. Hey, Papa, I want to watch cartoon over there. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. All right. Watch some cartoon. Soon cut. Hello. Hello. And that's why the Premier League has always been so competitive, people. That's exactly why the Premier League has always been so competitive, because they share the funds throughout the entire league. You understand? So for me, the reason why Barcelona is struggling right now is because they have tried to hamstring the La Liga by giving them ultimatums. Now, La Liga obviously have rules. They have salary cap rules. And Barcelona have met that salary cap and gone beyond it. Barcelona is out here paying Leo Messi $1 million a week, fam. Paying Antoine Griezmann $700,000 a week, fam. And then they still have players like Frankie de Jong. So much big players on the team that are demanding a lot of money. So obviously they get to their salary cap. And after the financial crisis, after COVID, they realize that, oh crap, things have to change. And then Barcelona, Real Madrid, and multiple other teams, Manchester United included, tried to get over on the rest of the world by using the Super League guaranteed money bull crap. And when that failed, they realized they're caught between a rock and a hard place. Because now Messi's contract is over. They have to negotiate a contract with Messi. And then they negotiate this drug deal with Messi saying, hey, we'll pay you, we'll give you a 5-year contract. You only have to pay for us for 2 years. And after that 2 years, they can retire to the United States, playing at the MLS, and you will still pay you for the next 3 years. That's the kind of deal they tried to pull off with Messi. But La Liga was like, no, fuck that. You guys have to adhere to these rules. And Barcelona tried to give the La Liga an ultimatum saying, listen, you are about to lose the world's biggest player. You're about to use your biggest revenue stream in Messi if you don't agree to this drug deal. You need to change the rules for us, the great Barcelona. And when they get the fuck you from La Liga, now Leo Messi has left and Barcelona has left licking their wounds. And I, for one, I'm loving it, fam. Loving it. So that was just a quick update from what's going on with Leo Messi. Looks like he's going to Paris. Don't really care. Manchester United all the way. Unpacking for the big jersey. People bless up on yourself. Marshall on the back. Lickman on the back singing. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Manaz.